Good morning, everybody in ESL 192. Today is October 17th, and the assignments for this week are to submit Great Writing 5 activities 4, 5, and 6 on page 32 to 33. I don't have a link for summary and response essay yet. I will. That's not a link that will be linked to. And that will be due on Thursday. I know that a lot of you will not like that it is due on Thursday, but I don't think we're going to have time to finish the essay in class because we need, I will have you interview each other maybe in this class a little bit for like 10 minutes. And also we need to practice writing thesis statements because your thesis statements for your introductory paragraph were way too long. You need to learn to write only one sentence. And we're going to practice doing that in class. All right. It's really critical that you learn to just write one sentence for the thesis statement because in English 100, your professors will most likely not accept your papers unless they are only one sentence. Okay. I mean, at least unless the thesis statements are one sentence, right? So we will discuss that in class and do at least one exercise on writing thesis statements. Now, probably we will get started on this in class 2, comprehension questions. So you need to read pages 27 to 50. If you need the book, go to module 6. If you want the book, I uploaded a copy of the book. I found it on the internet, so it's perfectly legal. I did not make the copy. Another instructor did. Okay. So The Alchemist Part 1, let me see. I downloaded it to my computer and I uploaded it here. And yeah, okay, this is the book. Okay, when you read it, you need to enlarge it, make it larger so you can see it. Okay, and you can read the whole thing for if you want, but I think the comprehension questions only cover pages 27 to 50. So you need to find page 27. Okay, and also you can download this book to your computers. I found this somehow on the internet. Okay, so it's perfectly legal. I have not violated copyright laws. Okay, so anyway, that's where it is. Okay, that's where you would begin. Page 27. The boy began to read his book, and you would read until the end of page 50. Yeah, here you are, page 50. That's the end. Okay, so that's what you would do. And then you would answer the comprehension questions. Okay, and there you go. You can download that really easily, easy peasy. Okay, it may take a few steps sometimes to download. Some of you tell me you have trouble downloading, but you just need to hit the down arrow button and it should download to your computers. Okay, and then when you have answered all the comprehension questions, you can submit comprehension questions here. This is for Sunday, right? But it should be available until October 26th. So if you get it in, if you're not on time and you get it in a few days later, I will accept it. There may be 2 or 3 points deducted for 3 days. So I would get it in on time because I'm going to start deducting points at least for each day. I think I said 1 point, or was it a half a point? I need to check my syllabus for sure. Okay, because I want to make sure. And also you need to submit the assignment through Canvas. Okay, some of you tell me you're having a hard time with that. I need to talk to those students who are having a hard time submitting through Canvas. We need to have a meeting about that. Okay. Alrighty. So what else do you need to do in week 6? Well, you need to, first of all, not that much. Okay. I would work on what you have missed. Some of you, you know, might need to still do discussion 5. And I need to check everything in discussion 5. I haven't looked at that yet. That's why I have the dot. And I need to do discussion 6. Some of you have done that. I hope so. For that one, you're going to write a thesis statement, 3 topic sentences, and 2 sentences, and a 2-sentence concluding paragraph. And I think we probably need to practice that in class. Okay. I want to make sure you know how to write a concluding paragraph, because I don't think we've talked about that enough. So we have a lot to do in class. Okay. And that is why we cannot finish writing the summary and response essay. And I'm giving you until Thursday, October 20th. Okay. So if you need a checklist if you need to look at what you need to do, go to the home page for week 6 or go to links for assignments in week 6. Okay, and I will finish grading. I'll finish grading with the summary, your introductory paragraphs tonight. Okay, I had a little computer issue this weekend. In fact, my computer didn't work, so I had to take it to Best Buy. All right, and thank goodness they could fix it for me. Okay, so what you need to do here is do discussion 6. We can begin it in class, in fact, and then do Great Writing 5 by Wednesday, 4:50 p.m. And really, guys, you need to take the quiz on The Alchemist Part 1. That is due at the end of the semester, but I would do it much before that because the final may have multiple choice questions. So in order to prepare for your final, you will need to do, I'm going to put all the quizzes in this coming weekend. And I will give you at least 3 attempts. Okay. And I will always keep the highest score, so you know. Okay. Anyway, that's all for week 6. If you have questions, more questions about what to do to prepare, for like The Alchemist, I'm going to give you a quiz the following week. You want to prepare for that, please ask me in this week's class how to prepare for The Alchemist. That will be on week 7, which is the midterm. It will include part 1 of The Alchemist and also include unit 1 of Great Writing 5 and part of unit 2. So I'll see you in class on Wednesday, October 19th. Thank you for watching.